Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this card using the Bold Bouquet bundle. Alright, here is another Bold Bouquet card using the Bold Bouquet bundle and the Nested Essentials dies. This is the Bouquet bundle and Bold Bouquet bundle, and it has all these lovely images with dies to cut them out, as well as a couple extra leaf dies that we're going to use and some lovely sentiment dies. I used the Nested Essentials dies, the second smallest one for the sentiment. So I used the leaf die from the Gorgeous Garden dies, which also includes this lovely flower die, and some of the masking paper. And because the leaves are so delicate, this will help the leaves stay in place while I do my coloring with the blends marker. So I used a whole sheet, I think they're 5 by 7, and just going to place this on top, try to get it in the middle as much as I can. But we can trim this if I don't. Okay, so now we can just make sure this is all down pretty well. Okay, so we have the mask ready, and now I'm going to use the Craft Whisper White ink with a blending brush, and I'm just very gently going to start adding the ink. Now for the big reveal. If you want to use this mask again, you probably can. You just need to be super careful when you're peeling it up to not tear it. All right, I have layered my finished masking on Azure Afternoon, and I'm going to stamp Happy Birthday in Azure Afternoon on this Nested Essentials piece. I've already stamped and cut out a Daffodil Delight flower and some Azure Afternoon flowers, Sweet Sorbet flowers, Granny Apple Green leaves, and cut out some more Granny Apple Green leaves. So I'm gonna assemble the card together now. Last but not least, I'm going to use some of these sequins. They're super pretty, the pastel adhesive back sequins. They come in gold, pink, and blue, and I think the blue looks really nice. And there is my Bold Bouquet card using my own template using the Gorgeous Garden dies. You can get this card kit for $30, or if you place an order for the bundle or $50 using my current host code, I will send it to you for just $5 shipping.